challenge and at the same time how to learn a new tool that has been released in this year, 3 months ago on May. So if I ask you to do this, how much time do you think you're going to invest? Probably you're going to say, Brenda, it's really easy, just 5 circles, you know. And have you seen that some of them have this connection? Probably in your mind you're going to say, ha, I know how to use the scissors. Brenda just showed me in a couple of videos, you know, like 2 or 3 ago. But it's not so simple at all. Let's see. This is the challenge, okay? How can you do this really fast in less than a minute? First of all, you need to draw the circle, the basic one. In this case, you know that it doesn't have a fill color, correct? And it has a special structure. It has the stroke weight. Maybe I exceeded a little bit. Nah. Then I'm going to do the black one. In case you want to keep the same color that you have at top, remember to select stroke and the eyedropper. Oops. It's going to help me with the color. In case this happens, remember that you just can change it here and type down this one. 15 if I'm not wrong. Oh no, 13. I'm going to transform it into 15. I'm going to duplicate it. Remember to duplicate it is with Alt. I'm going to do this one in red, yellow, whee. I know it looks orange. And this one in green. This is not the official logo, okay? So we have this, and probably you are going to say, Brenda, we can cut it and we can do it fast, you know, like cutting here, and then, you know, as I cut this one, maybe I want to move this here, you know, and do things like that. And now you shouldn't do that. The new tool that was just released is really simple. You're going to select all the objects right here. Go to top menu, object, Intertwine, make. And you're going to select the areas that you want to do the change. You see? Isn't that great? Now here, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to select this one. Here, I'm going to select this one. And on this one, if I'm not wrong, I'm going to select this one. So the secret to have this in less than a minute is to figure out where are they, you know, the connections they are going to have, how to get the color, how to get the specific stroke. Remember that the reference that I'm using is a bitmap, but this is the new tool, Intertwine, and it's really easy to use. And how else can you use it? I don't know if you have seen the DNA, you know, how they make this connection. I'm going to draw it here. I'm going to use the brush tool, and let me see. Okay, so I have this in green color. Instead of having this weight, I'm going to transform it into 22. No, that's too much. 15? No, that's too much too. 10? Maybe 8 or maybe 6. That's not so bad. And then I'm going to duplicate it here, okay? Or maybe I'm going to draw another one over it. Let's see. And this one is going to be in red. So what I wanted to find out is that it doesn't really matter if it's a shape or a line, okay? I'm going to select both. I'm going to object, make, and I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select this one. And here you can change like the position. If you go here, you can see the same objects. They have not been changed or modified. It's just how they look. And what is important here, they are already grouped. Once you do this specific step, they are grouped, and of course you can modify them if you want to, because they continue having the characteristic of a path. But I don't know if you can see that. Let me get closer so you can see what's going on. Like there is a definition that has changed. So if you're going to modify it, be aware that this could happen, and I mean the quality is going to be affected. So this is the new tool. Really easy, right? See you in the next video.